This video will show you how to record a new customer or participant in a Smartspace database. First of all, go to your website. At the bottom in the footer, you'll see a little login link. Just click on the link. It'll go to a login page. Just insert your details, log in. Now, once you've logged in, on all pages, you will see the Live Edit toolbar at the top. And we're interested in this middle section of the toolbar, which has various admin pages. When we're managing individuals, customers, participants, we need to be in the Database Manager. So we're clicking this, we go straight to the Database Manager, which is an admin page. Now the toolbar remains the same. You can easily return back to your home page or another admin page or some of the Content Manager, which is here, all of these areas here. Instead of changing pages, they'll just slide down and you'll be able to select your various elements in that particular slide down. Back to the registering an individual as a customer or participant. We have here a search page which can help you search your database to see if an individual is already registered, and there's a number of search tools there that you can use to find if people are registered. There'll be a separate video on the use of that, but to get straight to it, we can just go to adding a new customer. So there's a new customer link there at the top in that tab, or in individual selections, if you click on one of those grayed out areas there, there's a new customer link there. Now it's the same, exactly the same link. So just click on the tab, and this just gives you the individual registration form. Now you are forced to put in a first name, a surname, and certainly if you're registering someone, you probably need their email address. All the rest of it doesn't really matter, but you can put as much or as little information as you like, apart from needing to have that first and second name. So we need to put in an email address, so we'll just put in the Smartspace support address. And once we've checked that all that is right, we can then proceed with the registration. Now, there are some extra things here. If you want to send people logins at the same time as registering, you can just check this box here. And there's some more information there, which depending on the status of the person and the person updating the record will be there. So once we proceed with registration, it then does a duplicate check. And if that duplicate check comes back negative, in other words, no other duplicates, we know we've created their record. Now, the second page gives you some customer details and whether these people are active. There's no real need to fill any of that out. And so once we've done that, we can just click Update Customer Record, and then we're down onto their record. To edit the record, simply click on the editing icon. We're here, we can save changes, we can delete the record if we wish, we've made a mistake. We can save changes, not that I've made any. So that's it. If we need to do a new one, we just click that again and proceed. Now, once we've created that record, of course, that record will be available in the database. So if, for example, I wanted to find the record, I might just put RS in, which are the two in the initials for which I was just registered. So I can just put that in, and there's the record there that I've just registered. I can go to that page.